All right, we're going to take a look at some of the homework problems or some of the stuff from the homework. All right, so looking at our homework here, the first page, looking at that, what that means is AD is perpendicular to BR. So let's use that first, AD and BR perpendicular. That means that these are right angles, right? Those are right angles. So that means that's 90 degrees, okay? And the other one's 90 degrees also. All right. And I'm going to pause this, go close the door for a second. Okay, let's just go over a couple of these. All right, so let's look at FRG, this first one. So FRG is going to be right here. All right, and we know that if I look at this entire angle here, they all together add up to 180. Well, if I know this one's 80 here, and I know this one's 40 here, then this one, which we don't know, it all has to add up to 180. So 120 plus x is equal to 180. When you minus 120, you get x is equal to 60. So FRG is 60. Okay? Now, let's see. Let's go over to one. Let's see. Let's look at, let's just look at FRL. So this one. Okay, FRL is going to be, I'm going to erase a couple of these things now. Make it a little easier. I'm going to erase this. All right, FRL. So FRL is going to be this angle right here. Now we know that this is 60. So we have to add up both of these angles. So 60 plus 40 is 100. All right? And I'm going to come down here, put my A at 100. I'm going to put Z. All right? Then, for the next one, let's do CRG. Where is CRG? CRG is going to be here. So we're going to do C to R to G, right? And that's going to be these two angles I'm about to put in green. So that's going to be this one, which we know is 60, and this one, those together. So 80 plus 60. So that's going to be 140. So CRG is 140. All right, and let's do W. Let's do W. What is that? DRE. So D R E, right? So that's 60 plus RED. So where's RED? RED is going to be right here, 60 plus 50. So that's going to be 110. So it's going to be W. All right, so hopefully you can get the other ones. Go through and see. Remember, you have vertical angles on some of these. You have angles that equal 180. So go through and see what you can do. All right, let's look at the next one. All right, so now, again, we have these angles, we have triangles, we have all types of stuff going on. So it says the first part, first of all, let's read the directions. It says decide whether each pair of angles is complementary. Remember, complementary, that means adds to 90, supplementary adds to 180. All right, so let's look at RAM. RAM is going to be this angle, right? RAM and LAG. So LAG is going to be this angle. Now, we know that if we have 45 here and we have 90 here, then this has to be what? Because it has to add up to 180. So 45 plus 90 is equal to 135. That means this angle here has to be 180 minus 135, which is equal to 45. That means that those two angles, the one right here is 45. The one over here is 45. So that means they are complementary. They add up to 90. All right, let's do another one. Let's do another one. All right, so we know that was 45. And okay, so let's do KGH. Let's do this one. KGH and AGL. So where's KGH? KGH is going to be this one. AGL is going to be this one. Okay, we don't know what either one of those angles are. However, we do know that this angle plus, change colors here. We know that this angle plus this angle plus this angle form a straight angle, which means they are supplementary, they add up to 180. So if this part in here is 90, that means that this angle here and this angle here have to add up to 90. So those two angles must be complementary. So that's going to be, all right, let's do one more. What about AGH? AGH, which is this one, that's 90. And ARH. Okay, so that's 90 also. So 90 and 90 makes what? Supplementary. So that means that is A. Right? And just for good measure, let's do number 8. Let me erase some of this stuff now. Okay, so RHK. Where's RHK? That's going to be this one, the entire angle. So we're talking RHK, this one right here. And RHN. So RHN is going to be this angle. So those two appear to me that they're supplementary also because they form a straight angle. Okay, see what the other ones are. I think they have a neither in there somewhere. You'll have to find it. All right?